Welcome to presentation on CE marking. We offer a facilitation and consultation on ISO 13485 and CE marking process. We believe in integrity, trust, mutual respect, value added services to the customers. Following are the steps of CE marking. First of all, you have to identify the classification of your products as per Annexure 9 of Medical Device Directive. Along with that, you have to consider the amendment directives. You have to make sure that whether your product need notified body involvement in your CE certification process or not. If the notified body is involved in your CE certification, you have to identify the notified body and apply them. You have to prepare a technical file as per the guidelines which are given by the directive, which normally include all necessary evidences of compliance to essential safety requirements of the directive and declaration of conformity. You have to identify all applicable test standards of the product so that you can demonstrate the compliance with the essential safety requirements applicable to your product. You have to get the product tested in an independent test laboratory. Preferably, it should be ISO 17025 accredited test laboratory, and you have to collect the successful test reports of your product. You have to evaluate your product for its safety and effectiveness by referring European guidelines for clinical evaluation, which include the steps starting from literature citation and also clinical evidences. Manufacturer is responsible for maintaining updated clinical evaluation records. Manufacturer need to implement a system of post-marketing surveillance, advisory notices, product recall procedures, etc. For all non-EU country manufacturers, or when you are outside of Europe, you have to appoint an European representative as per the guidelines of the directive. ISO 13485 is a management system standard and CE marking is a product certification, which is a regulatory requirement of European Council for European nations. When you affix CE mark to the product, it indicates that the product comply with all applicable European regulations. In CE marking process, you have to effectively implement ISO 13485 as one of the applicable standard. As a part of management system, it is required that you have necessary documentation system and records, enough competent people, suitable infrastructure and work environment. We offer in our product basket, you will get awareness training programs on different customized modules, which include awareness of system, standards, facility, and process validation, and of course, awareness of CE marking process. We also conduct and execute internal auditor and lead auditor training programs of ISO 13485. We offer consultancy services of complete implementation or consultancy of customized module. We can offer first party or second party assessments and audits. We can offer identification of different standards for demonstration of the compliance with the directive. We also can offer you to identify exact requirement of the standard so that it can save your time for development or problem solving and repetitive testing. If your product need any kind of improvement, we can arrange technical experts, design consultants who can help you for solving the problem related to compatibility and help you in pre-compliance and full compliance or certification testing. If your product need any bought out components or outsourced processes, we also can make you available different consultants who can help you to manage your sourcing activity either with supplier audit, supplier controls or smooth transition from one supplier to another to meet your own requirements. In some cases, they can manage your purchase independently. If you want to develop your own facility with clean room, sterilization and need support to achieve Indian FDA or US FDA, we can offer you complete solution for facility development and its validation. We offer consultancy for the facility used for electromedical devices as well. We can offer you consultancy and complete support for establishment of in-house pre-compliance testing laboratory setup for general safety and EMI/EMC. We also offer complete consultancy and support for US FDA activity for exempted and non-exempted medical devices. Our technical team. We are part of global group having offices in India and Europe. Our technical team has rich knowledge about the system with working knowledge of more than 20 years in management system certification specifically for medical devices. We also have auditors in our team who are approved lead auditors from different European notified bodies. Our team has people who have worked for protocol development and accreditation as per ISO 17025 of the laboratory who test medical devices as per EN 60601 series of the standards for general electrical safety, EMIMC, and different particular standards, including biocompatibility, sterility, and stability testing by method of real-time study and accelerated aging study. We are associated with different test laboratories who are ISO 17025 accredited for EN 60601 series of the standards for general electrical safety, EMIMC, and different particular standards, including biocompatibility, sterility, and stability testing by real-time study and accelerated aging study. We have a team of experts having hands-on experience of facility development which need clean room and sterilization processes. Our team has necessary exposure of handling issues related to Indian FDA. We would like to understand from you about your requirements. For partial or complete solution, please drop us an email and we will reply you immediately with techno-commercial proposal. Thank you very much for your time. You can contact us on mail to sandipk@gmail.com.